For example, there are time limits for filing a claim, known as the statute of limitations. If you miss this deadline, you won't be able to get any compensation. I'm attorney Emily Anderson with RSH Legal. Being in a car accident can be a scary and confusing experience. You might be hurt, worried about your car, and unsure of what to do next. This is where an Iowa car accident lawyer can help. We are experts who know the laws and can guide you through the process of dealing with the accident. Here are some ways an Iowa car accident lawyer can help you after a crash. After a car accident, it's important to know your rights. An Iowa car accident lawyer can explain these rights to you in simple terms. For example, you have the right to be compensated for your injuries, car repairs, and other losses caused by the accident. This compensation can cover medical bills, lost wages, and even pain and suffering. Dealing with insurance companies can be tricky. Insurance adjusters may try to offer you a quick settlement that is less than what you deserve. An experienced lawyer knows how to negotiate with insurance companies to get you a fair settlement. We can handle all the paperwork and communication so you don't have to worry about saying the wrong thing or making a mistake that could hurt your case. To prove your case, you will need evidence. This might include police reports, medical records, witness statements, and written statements from your doctors addressing what injuries were caused by the crash and what your future will look like, including any permanent restrictions and medical care you may need. An Iowa car accident lawyer knows what evidence is important and how to gather it. We can also hire experts like accident reconstruction specialists to help prove what happened in the crash. In some accidents, it's clear who is at fault, but in others, it might not be so obvious. Iowa uses a system called comparative fault, which means more than one person can be partially responsible for an accident. An Iowa car accident lawyer can help determine who was at fault and how much each person is responsible. This is important because it affects how much compensation you can get. If the insurance company doesn't offer a fair settlement, your lawyer can file a lawsuit on your behalf. This means taking the case to court and letting a judge or jury decide. Filing a lawsuit can be complicated, but an experienced lawyer knows the process and can handle it for you. We will prepare all the necessary documents and represent you in court. After a car accident, you might have a lot of medical bills. These can add up quickly, especially if you need surgery or long-term treatment. An Iowa car accident lawyer can help you get these bills paid. We can work with your healthcare providers to make sure you get the treatment you need without worrying about how to pay for it right away. One of the most important things an Iowa car accident lawyer does is help you get fair compensation. This means getting enough money to cover all your losses. It's not just about your medical bills and car repairs. You might also need compensation for lost wages if you can't work, and for the pain and suffering you've experienced. Your lawyer will make sure you get everything you deserve. Going through a car accident claim can be stressful and overwhelming. An Iowa car accident lawyer is there to support you every step of the way. We can answer your questions, explain what's happening, and give you peace of mind knowing that you have someone on your side that can make a big difference. Every state has different laws about car accidents. An Iowa car accident lawyer knows the specific laws that apply to your case. For example, there are time limits for filing a claim, known as the statute of limitations. If you miss this deadline, you won't be able to get any compensation. Your lawyer will make sure you meet all the deadlines and follow the correct procedures. If your case goes to court, having a lawyer on your side is crucial. We will represent you and fight for your rights. We know how to present evidence, question witnesses, and make arguments to the judge and jury. This can make a big difference in the outcome of your case. An Iowa car accident lawyer can be a valuable ally after a crash. We can help you understand your rights, deal with insurance companies, gather evidence, and get fair compensation. We also provide support and guidance throughout the process, making it easier for you to focus on your recovery. If you've been in a car crash, we may be able to help. Call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.